Good day, grade 9. I'm Ma'am Angeles, your math teacher, and will always be available in guiding you in answering your module. Let's continue our quarter 1 for week 1 about quadratic equation. Illustration of quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The values of a, b, and c are the numerical coefficients of quadratic term, linear term, and constant term respectively. So if we have ax squared, okay, so that is the quadratic term. Ito yung number na merong kasamang variable x and exponent na 2 or square. Okay, the linear term naman, ito yung given number sa equation natin na merong kasamang variable x. And the constant term, ito yung number lang. So for example, if we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, this equation is already written in standard form. Ibig sabihin, nasa tamang ayos na siya. So the value of a or the quadratic term is 3. The value of b or the linear term is 5. And c is the constant term natin is negative 2. Then, for example, number 2. If we have 5x multiplied to x minus 4 is equal to 0, the given is not written in standard form. So, kailangan itatransform muna natin siya. Okay, to do this, we multiply 5x multiplied to x. We will get 5x squared. 5x times negative 4. Since they are unlike sign, the answer is negative 20x equals to 0. The given is now written in standard form with a is equals to 5, b is equals to negative 20, and since wala tayong c, that is equals to 0. Then, for example, number 3. If we have 4x plus 1 squared is equals to 0, still hindi siya naka-standard form, so ita-transform ulit natin. We're going to simplify the equation by multiplying the binomial by itself. Tandaan na, yung given na 4x plus 1 squared is equals to 0, that is equivalent to dalawang 4x plus 1. Kaya meron siyang squared. Okay, then we're going to multiply it one by one. 4x times 4x, the answer is 16x squared. 4x times 1, the answer is 4x. 1 times 4x, the answer is 4x. 1 times 1 is positive 1. Then we have equals to 0. Okay, so the equation now is 16x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. We can now simplify. So we bring down 16x squared. We add 4x plus 4x since they are like terms. So the answer is 8x. Then bring down positive 1 is equals to 0. So a is equals to 16, b is equals to 8, and c is equals to 1. For example, number 4. If we have x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7 is equals to negative 12, we multiply the two binomials using the FOIL method and combine like terms whenever necessary. Remember, for FOIL method, F stands for first terms, O for outer terms, I for inner terms, and L for last terms. So, yung given natin na x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 7 equals to negative 12. First, we multiply x times x. So, we will get x squared. Then, we have the outer terms. X times negative 7. The answer is negative 7x. Then, we have 3 multiplied to x. We have 3x. Then, positive 3 times negative 7, we will get negative 21. Then, we bring down equals negative 12. The equation now is x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equals to negative 12. Okay, kailangan ma-equate natin sa 0 yung ating given equation. So, dapat mawala yung negative 12, gagawin nating 0. So, we apply the addition property of equality, which is, nag-add tayo ng 12 sa both side of the equation. So, the equation become x squared minus 4x minus 21 plus 12 is equals to negative 12 plus 12. Okay, then we simplify. We bring down x squared. Okay, then we minus 4x. Then we subtract negative 21 plus 12. Since they are unlike sign, the answer will become negative 9. Then, negative 12 plus 12 is equals to 0. So, the value of A now is 1. Constant yun. Pag walang kasamang given number, yung ating first term or yung ating quadratic term, constant, that is 1. B is equals to negative 4 and C is equals to negative 9. Then, last example, problem solving. Jenny asked her father to construct a rectangular stage for her presentation in school. She wanted her stage to have an area of 48 square feet. Suppose that the length of the stage is 2 feet longer than its width. What equation would represent the area of the stage? Okay, to answer that, apply natin yung process na ginagawa niyo ng elementary. Okay, identify the as, given, formula to be used, then the solution. Okay, so yung as natin, based on the problem, what equation would represent the area of the stage? Meaning, ang hinahanap natin doon, ano yung given or yung quadratic equation? Then, the given are, let x plus 2 be the length. Since the length of the stage is 2 feet longer than its width, we use yung operation na plus. Then, since wala tayong given width, we use the variable x. Then, the total area of a rectangle is 48 square feet. The formula to be used, kapag area ng rectangle ang hinahanap, okay, yung formula natin is length times width. So, yung solution natin, we just multiply length by width, so that is x multiplied by x plus 2 is equals to 48. Okay, let's solve. So, x times x, that is x squared. X times 2, we have 2x. Okay, is equals to 48. Pwede nating i-transpose or i-transfer yung 48 to the left side. So, from positive, it will become negative 48. So, the quadratic equation now is x squared plus 2x minus 48 is equals to 0. So, the value of A is 1, B is 2, and C is equals to negative 48. Now, your turn. Go to page 7 and 8 of your module and answer activity 1.1 I am quadratic. So, that's for today.